Zabbix is an open-source monitoring solution for IT infrastructure, including networks, servers, virtual machines, and cloud services. It provides a centralized platform for collecting, monitoring, and visualizing various metrics to ensure the health and performance of IT infrastructure. Zabbix is a powerful network monitoring tool which is available in open source and enterprises support. It gives you complete visibility of your IT infrastructure. Supported major OEMs and major services are shown in the screen. To install Zabbix server, I will provide you step-by-step installation procedure with live demo on my virtual machine. To install, firstly go to official website on your browser. This will show you various options. Here I am selecting Zabbix packages. You can select any one of them as per your installation requirements. Other than this, Zabbix Cloud, which is only free for 5 days. Third-party cloud vendors, which supports all popular cloud platforms. Zabbix Docker containers also available, pre-installed VM images also available. On Zabbix packages, select which latest Zabbix version you are going to install. Some versions you can see on screen. Latest version 7.4, 7.2 are not LTS. Here I am going with latest version 7.4. Next step, on which OS distribution, you are going to install Zabbix Server 7.4. Currently supported OS distributions are shown on the screen. I am familiar with CentOS. All my production servers are running on CentOS, and also, I have a hands-on experience of more than 12 years on CentOS. So, I am going with CentOS 10. Please go with your choice. Select Zabbix components, going with defaults. Database, going with MySQL. Web server, going with Apache. I installed Apache version 2.4.63 and MySQL version 8.0.4. If you go to this link shown on the screen, will provide system prerequisites. One thing I forgot, it requires PHP and some PHP extensions. I installed PHP 8.2 and extensions shown on screen. If you want installation procedure of PHP, Apache and MySQL, will upload a separate video for each one of them. You can see my VM is already ready. I installed OS before and all the required services are running perfectly. Checking the status of Apache. Now checking status of MySQL. Now, we are ready to start installation. On the website now, scroll down, you can get installation steps on step 2. Firstly, disable Zabbix packages provided by EPL repository by editing the repo file. Location and how to disable is shown on the screen. Next step, download RPM file from official Zabbix repository using link provided on the official website. Now, you can see the files are downloaded. After downloading RPM files, enter dnf clean all command. Then, enter Zabbix server, agent installation command from website. Now, installation successfully started. Here, you can see the installation completed successfully without any errors. Next step, we are going to start with database initialization. Copy these lines and paste on your terminal. Change MySQL user password, use your desired password. Then import initial database schema and data into MySQL database. After importing, paste these lines. Then change DB password on Zabbix_server.conf file. Now enter system to restart Zabbix server Zabbix agent HTTPD and PHPFPM. Then enable all these services. System to enable Zabbix server Zabbix agent HTTPD and PHPFPM. Check all services status one by one to ensure all services are running. System to status Zabbix server shows Zabbix server status. System to status Zabbix agent shows Zabbix agent status. System to status HTTPD shows Apache server status. System to status PHPFPM shows PHPFPM status. Now go to http://localhost/zabbix.
Now it is taking you to the initial configuration setup page. It runs prerequisites check. Then initial database setup, enter DB password. Enter server name and select time zone. Click on next. After successful configuration shows successful message on the screen and redirects you to default login page.
Default username, admin. Password, Zabbix. Now dashboard page opens on your browser. Zabbix server installation is successfully completed. On next detailed video will show you how to work with Zabbix. Follow TechnoUsher for more videos. Kindly support us. If you like our video, like, subscribe and share. This will help us to bring more videos for you.